creating, editing, and deleting invoices. The Finance module includes the ability to create and manage invoices, along with the ability to apply payments to invoices. To create a new invoice, follow these steps. Navigate to the Invoices table as shown. Once there, click on the New Invoice button, which will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. It is recommended to fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Note, the following fields are required: invoice date, customer, include tax on invoice lines, and status. Click on Create and Open. Once the new invoice page opens, you will notice the invoice line items section about halfway down the page. Click New Invoice Line to start adding the individual line items. Enter all relevant details into the flyout window. Please note, the following fields are required: quantity and unit price. By default, there is a 10% tax rate on invoice line items to account for GST. This can be changed to no tax, NA, a fixed tax amount, fixed, or a fixed tax amount per unit, fixed per quantity, by adjusting the choice in the tax category field. A discount can be applied on each line item as a fixed amount, discount amount, or as a percentage, discount percentage. Once you have completed those details, click Create. Follow the previous steps to add additional invoice lines as required. Editing an invoice. Once on the Invoices list view, locate the invoice you wish to edit either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. Double-click on the invoice to open it. Edit any relevant fields on the invoice page as needed and save. If you wish to edit the invoice lines, simply find the invoice line you wish to edit, click on the title, edit the relevant fields, then click Save and Close. Once you have finished editing the invoice, click on Save. Deleting an invoice. It is not recommended to delete an invoice, instead change its status to voided. This way, you can maintain a record of all invoices. However, if you need to delete an invoice due to incorrect data entry or a duplicate entry, you can do so as follows. As an invoice contains sub-items, it is best practice to delete the sub-items or invoice line items before deleting the main invoice. To do this, navigate to the invoice you wish to delete. Select all line items from within the invoice view as shown.